everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's review is all about two hair care products which were sent to me by purple.com. I don't generally do reviews of hair care products because makeup maniac, but because these products really impressed me, I thought I would do a review on them. I have used these products for 3 weeks and have definitely formed an opinion of them, which is why I thought now is the right time to review them. The first one is a hair oil. This one is by a brand called Ayush. Ayush Therapy Hair Vitalization hair oil, and this one is retailed under the brand Hindustan Unilever. It retails for 599 rupees for 100 mils of product, which can be a little expensive, I agree. But if you use this hair oil once a week, it's going to last you a long time because you don't need a lot of this oil. It's quite greasy and it does spread really well along your hair strand, so you don't need a lot of hair oil. Now, talking about my experience with this hair oil, I'm first going to talk about the cons and then I'm going to talk about the pros. The problem with this hair oil is that it does not have a very appealing smell. So do not expect that you can apply this hair oil and go out, because it does have a very strong Ayurvedic kind of a smell, and it does smell like as if all the jari booty was added to the oil and it was burnt. So it does have a smoky burnt smell to it. The other thing is that it does stain your pillowcases. So if you have really pretty pillowcases, I would suggest that you preserve them. Put a towel on top of your pillow before sleeping, because it does stain the pillow. Coming to the claims of this product, it claims to prevent premature graying and promote hair growth. Now, 3 weeks of usage, I can't really talk about either of the two things, because obviously such things which are chronic, something like hair fall or something like graying of hair, will take at least 2 to 3 months of usage to show results. But what I can say about this hair oil is that it has improved the texture of my hair. We're experiencing monsoon in Calcutta and my hair is likely to turn into a big frizz ball, but after applying this hair oil, I have noticed that the texture of my hair has improved. I have naturally curly hair, as you can see, but even after shampooing it today, my hair is not as frizzy as it usually is, which is obviously a great thing. The other thing is that I have noticed that my hair fall has reduced considerably. Since we're experiencing monsoon, hair fall is likely to happen. It's inevitable, but it's a lot lesser than what I used to experience previously. So that way I can say that it has reduced my hair fall but not stopped it completely, and I think that my hair has improved in terms of texture. The way I like to apply this hair oil is that I rub my hands together and make sure that my hands become a little warm, and then apply a little bit of it on the palm of my hands, and then massage it on the roots of my hair and my scalp, and make sure that I massage it in circular motions and get the product into the scalp. With the remnants of the product, I just wipe it on the rest of my hair and make sure that every hair is coated. And I think that you do not need a lot of this product because it does spread very evenly. What is my final opinion? I'd say that you give this hair oil a go because it's quite nice in terms of improving your texture and reducing your hair fall, because I have experienced both of these things with 3 weeks of usage. Yes, I think it's a little pricey for 599 rupees, but nowadays I think brands are coming up with really expensive hair oils. So considering the fact that I have used hair oils more expensive than this in lesser quantities, I would say that this one is definitely worth giving a try. The other product which I was going to talk about is the Fairfax Hair Energizer. I love the packaging on this. It comes in a cylindrical tube like so, and it's a cardboard packaging, and when you open it you see the product. To be honest with you guys, I did not know much about this product nor about this brand before it was sent to me, but once I started using it, I quite like it. I like the packaging on this. It comes in a glass packaging like so. It's quite cute, and the smell is exactly like homeopathic medicine, like concentrated homeopathic medicine. If you've ever had concentrated homeopathic medicine, you will be able to recall that it has the exact same smell. This product is more like a leave-in product. So on days when I don't condition my hair, I take like a liter of water in a jug and add 2 to 3 drops of this product into it and use it as a last rinse. And even when I don't use conditioner, it has helped in making my hair so much softer. Like my hair is the kind which needs conditioner. Like you cannot do without conditioner with my kind of hair. Like my hair needs conditioner, it also needs leave-in conditioner, but with just one product I think I could skip conditioner and leave-in conditioner and my hair wasn't looking that bad. So I think this product is quite nice, but it's a little pricey. It is quite a tiny bottle, but considering the fact that you need 3 to 4 drops of this product, I think it's going to last you more than 1.5 months if you use shampoo like twice a week or something. In fact, it's going to last you more than that in my opinion. Now it is a little pricey. For 600 rupees you're getting 5 mils of product, but even then I think that it's quite a good product. Now if you skip conditioner and you skip leave-in and you join the price of both the two products, you get 600, like around 600 bucks, and this one product takes care of the other two needs. So I think it's quite a good bet, and I'd like to repurchase at least this one because this is really nice. I don't like the smell of it, but the smell doesn't really linger after you wash your hair. And once you pat dry your hair and your hair is dry, you can't really smell anything. You can just smell your shampoo actually. So yeah, that was my review of both the two products. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will provide a link of both products in the description bar below, so be sure to check that out in case you're interested in buying any of the two products. Also follow me on my social media. Everything will be mentioned in the description bar below as well as on my homepage of this channel. Now with all that said, I call it a wrap for today and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.